Hello! Arnel here. So balik tayo sa Freecodecamp, decimal to binary converter. Step 25 na tayo. Kaibigan. So ang sabi, to divide numbers in JavaScript, use the division operator / for example, quotient 5/2. Let's divide 2. Ang result is 2.5. In the example above, 5 is dividend, or the number to be divided, and 2 is the divisor, or the number to divide by. The result is 2.5. Is called the quotient. Inside your while loop, create a variable named quotient and assign it the value of input, divide 2. Alright, inside our while loop, create a variable named quotient. So gagawa tayo ng variable dito sa loob ng quotient din ang pangalan dito. Wala siyang S, so hindi siya magkakaroon ng problema dyan. And assign it the value of input divided by 2. Okay, input divide 2. Alright, so check natin yun. Okay, looks good. Alright, next step. So step 26. Step 26 na tayo. So sabi, like you saw in the last step, division can lead to a floating point number or a decimal number, or a number with a decimal point. The best way to handle this is to round down the nearest whole number. Use the matfloor function to round down the quotient input divided by 2 before it's assigned the quotient. Use the matfloor function to round down the quotient of input divided by 2. Alright, so siguro copy-paste lang natin itong matfloor na to, mat.floor. Yan, ipapasok natin itong ginawa natin division. Alright, so try natin yan. Okay, good. Alright, next video.